Hello students, this is my second video on MySQL. In my previous video, we have learned about creating a database, selecting a database for work, removing a database, and some MySQL data types. So if you have not seen my previous video, please go to my playlist given in the description and access this playlist. So today is my second video, so I will teach about MySQL tables. A table is a simple diagram of rows and columns, and I have written for you some notes. Please read. Okay, I'll give this PDF in the description. So I'll tell you about the important things of naming a table. A table name can have a maximum length of 30 characters. A table name cannot be more than 30 characters. Its length cannot be more than 30 characters. It can contain alphabets like A to Z, and 0 to 9. A table name should begin with an alphabet. A table name cannot begin with a number or any other special characters. A special character is allowed for joining two sentences. We will use special character for joining two sentences. We cannot give blank space in between two blank space while naming a table. And there are some reserved words like create, drop, and describe. These words cannot be used as table name. These are the reserved words of MySQL. Now next, creating a table. The syntax for creating a table is create table name. This is a simple syntax like create table name, and the table name is a name of is a name that you want to create. Let's go to next, like constraints. Constraints are some rules that help ensure the validity of data while entering data in a table. These are some rules, like we have some traffic rules, like these are also the rules in MySQL. And constraints of MySQL are primary key, not null, foreign key, unique, enum, and set. We will not learn about this all. The main importance are primary key and not null. So today I will discuss about not null and primary key. Not null. This constraint will tell us about that the variable cannot be null. This column cannot be null. This column cannot be zero. Not null means it can't be zero. It cannot be null. Its value cannot be null. And next, primary key. Primary key is very important. So before telling about definition, primary key is given to some variable that is unique. So for us, like we are students, like for us the roll number is very unique. We in our class we will not find anybody same roll number with us. So primary key is unique, and with our roll number the teacher can know our name, address, and phone number, and any other things, like it is unique. So we will keep like we'll let's think that primary key should be unique. And if you name is also unique, but name cannot be unique because in our class we will have many other students having same name like us. So it should be like unique, like anybody should not have. So primary key is a field which can identify each row in a table. So let's go to, I'll show you all this. Let's go to MySQL command line client. I have also uploaded the videos for MySQL command line client for installing and setuping MySQL client. So let's type here password MySQL. Oops, I have on the my caps lock MySQL pass. This is my password. I have given a wrong password. So let's create a database. Create database school. Oops, we have created this database before, so let's create database monolith. Okay, now inside this monolith, before creating a table inside a database, we need to use this database first. For that, we need to select a database monolith. For that, we'll use monolith. And now for creating a table, type here the syntax create table, and we'll give a table name student, and roll number as our roll number is basically numbers, so int, and we'll give it as primary key, and name virtual, and basically all names are of 20 characters, so 20, and not null, and total marks total marks, int not null. Okay, let's now for seeing out table, the structure of the table. So for seeing the structure of the table, we will type here describe table name and dex table name. It we can write like describe table name or dex table name. So for that, now for seeing our table, write dex student, and this is our table structure. Primary key null not null. Okay, I'll end this video here.